Welcome back to Awais FitNation, your go-to channel for real natural fitness advice. If you've been feeling low on energy, finding it hard to build muscle, or just struggling to stay consistent, this video will help you reset and refocus. Today, I'll share 5 powerful daily habits that naturally boost your energy, increase testosterone, and accelerate muscle growth without relying on shortcuts or supplements. Let's start with the first one. Getting quality sleep. You've heard it before, but are you actually doing it? Your body needs at least 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep to recover, build muscle, and regulate hormones. During sleep, your body releases growth hormone and repairs muscle tissue. If you're skipping sleep, you're literally killing your gains. Habit number 2. Consistent strength training. You don't need to lift every day, but you do need a structured plan. Stick to compound movements like squats, deadlifts, pull-ups, and bench presses. These exercises not only work multiple muscle groups, but also trigger a natural testosterone response. Train smart, not just hard. Now your diet, it's more important than any supplement. Eat clean, eat enough, and eat consistently. Aim for high-quality proteins like eggs, chicken, and fish. Add healthy fats. They're essential for testosterone. And seriously, cut the sugar and processed junk. Food is fuel, not entertainment. 4th, morning sunlight and movement. Get outside for 10-15 minutes every morning. That early sunlight boosts your vitamin D and resets your body clock. Add a light walk or stretch, and you'll notice a massive difference in your energy levels throughout the day. And finally, manage your stress. High stress means high cortisol, and that leads to low testosterone, belly fat, and burnout. Take 10 minutes each day to breathe, meditate, or journal. Remember, you're not just building a body, you're building a lifestyle. These 5 habits aren't complicated, but they're powerful. Start today. Pick even one habit and build from there. Drop a comment and let me know which one you'll focus on first. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss out. This is Awais FitNation. And together we're building stronger bodies and stronger minds.